Rust Porject Ideas. Rust is a powerful and popular systems programming language that's gaining popularity due to its performance, safety, and reliability. In this video, we'll explore some exciting Rust project ideas that you can work on to hone your skills and build amazing applications. Get a free ebook on Rust Porject Ideas. We had given more details about these projects. Totally free. We will send this free ebook to you on your email ID in PDF form. Now let's start with the video. Command Line Interface, CLI, Tool. Rust is an excellent language for building command line tools due to its performance and safety features. Web Scraper. Building a web scraper is a great way to learn about HTTP, HTML parsing, and data storage. You could build a scraper to extract data from websites and store it in a database for analysis. Image processing. Rust's performance and low-level capabilities make it a great language for image processing applications. Game development. Rust's safety features and performance make it an ideal language for game development. You could build a game in Rust using a game engine like Amethyst or GGES. You could create a simple text editor with features like syntax highlighting, search and replace, and multiple file support. For example, you could build a text editor specifically for coding, or a text editor with support for multiple languages. Audio player. Rust's performance and low-level capabilities make it a great language for audio processing. You could build an audio player that can play and manage music files. Password Manager. Building a password manager is a great way to learn about cryptography and security. You could develop a password manager to securely store and manage passwords. File encryption. Building a file encryption application is another great way to learn about cryptography and security. You could create an application that can encrypt and decrypt files to protect sensitive data. Chat application. Building a real-time chat application using Rust and WebSockets is a great way to learn about network programming and real-time communication. You could develop a simple API with endpoints for creating, updating, and retrieving data. Blockchain. Building a simple blockchain application using Rust is a great way to learn about distributed systems and cryptography. You could build a simple blockchain that allows users to create and transfer tokens. Web Application Framework. Building a web application framework in Rust is a great way to learn about web development and server-side programming. You could create a framework that provides a set of tools and conventions for building web applications. Compiler. Rust's compiler is written in Rust, which means that you can build your own compiler using Rust. This is a great way to learn about language design and compiler construction. You could build a compiler for a simple programming language and then use it to build your own programs. Operating system. Building an operating system in Rust is a challenging but rewarding project. You could build an operating system from scratch, or use a microkernel like Redux OS as a starting point. Package Manager. Building a package manager is a great way to learn about dependency management and software distribution. Database. Building a database is a challenging project, but Rust's performance and low-level capabilities make it a great language for building high-performance databases. You could create a simple database that supports basic CRUD operations and querying. WebAssembly. Building a WebAssembly project in Rust is a great way to learn about low-level programming and web development. Machine learning. Building a machine learning application in Rust is a great way to learn about data analysis and artificial intelligence. Robotics. Building a robotics application in Rust is a great way to learn about embedded systems programming and robotics. You could build a simple robot that can perform a specific task like navigating a maze or performing object detection. Chat application. This project involves building a real-time chat application that enables users to communicate with each other. The application could have additional features like private messaging, file sharing, and group chats, making it a useful tool for team collaboration or social networking. Voice Assistant. This project involves building a voice assistant that can respond to user commands and perform various tasks. The application could have features like voice recognition, text-to-speech, and integration with various APIs, making it a valuable personal assistant for users. Code Editor. This project involves building a code editor that provides a modern and customizable interface for coding in Rust. Network Analyzer. This project involves building a network analyzer that can monitor and analyze network traffic. The analyzer could have features like packet capture, protocol decoding, and traffic visualization, making it an essential tool for network administrators who want to ensure their networks are secure and performing optimally. Cryptocurrency. This project involves building a cryptocurrency application that allows users to buy, sell, and trade various cryptocurrencies. The application could have features like wallet integration, transaction history, and price tracking, making it an excellent tool for users who want to invest in the cryptocurrency market. Compiler Optimization. This project involves building a tool that optimizes Rust code for performance. The tool could have features like static analysis, profiling, and code generation, making it an essential tool for developers who want to ensure their code is performing at its best. Chatbot. This project involves building a chatbot that can respond to user inquiries and perform various tasks. The chatbot could have features like natural language processing, machine learning, and integration with various APIs, making it an excellent tool for businesses that want to provide customer support or automate certain tasks. Weather App. This project involves building a weather app that provides users with real-time weather information for their location. The app could have features like weather alerts, hourly forecasts, and historical data, making it a valuable tool for users who want to stay informed about the weather. Audio Player. This project involves building an audio player that can play various audio formats and provide a modern and customizable interface for managing playlists and metadata. Video Editor. This project involves building a video editor that allows users to edit and manipulate video footage. Virtual Reality. This project involves building a virtual reality application that provides users with an immersive and interactive experience. The application could have features like motion tracking, haptic feedback, and VR headset integration, making it an excellent tool for gaming or educational purposes. Graphical User Interface. This project involves building a graphical user interface library that allows developers to easily create modern and customizable interfaces for their Rust applications. Task Manager. This project involves building a task manager that allows users to manage and prioritize their tasks. Network Security. This project involves building a tool that provides network security features like intrusion detection, firewalls, and vulnerability scanning. Cryptocurrency. Build a cryptocurrency application that allows users to buy, sell, and trade various cryptocurrencies. Compiler Optimization. Build a tool that optimizes Rust code for performance. Chatbot. Build a chatbot that can respond to user inquiries and perform various tasks. Weather App. Build a weather app that provides users with real-time weather information for their location. Audio Player. Build an audio player that can play various audio formats and provide a modern and customizable interface for managing playlists and metadata. Video Editor. Build a video editor that allows users to edit and manipulate video footage. Game Engine. A game engine is a software framework that provides developers with a set of tools and conventions for building games. Voice Chat. A voice chat application allows users to communicate with each other using voice. Password Manager. A password manager is a tool that allows users to securely store and manage their passwords. Thanks for watching this video on Rust Porject Ideas. Get a free ebook on Rust Porject Ideas, we had given more details about these projects. Totally free. To get this ebook free, subscribe our channel and fill the Google form in the description box. We will send this free ebook to you on your email aid in PDF form.